It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. A beautiful day for Snap-on. Would you be mine? Could you all be mine? Oh God. Hunter's already on the truck. Sorry, I didn't think my viewers saw that. Just do that again really quick.
Alright, ready? You want to do it again? Fuck you!
It's fucking Snap-on Wednesday, bitches.
Oh, I love it. Going strong in here.
Now I'm gonna get death threats. Now I'm gonna get death threats.
I saw your truck was down yesterday.
Yeah. Oh, we're doing a little fuel pump action.
Oh yeah. Oh, yes. What's going on, Hunter?
Screwdrivers.
Yeah.
I want to put that somewhere where I'm not going to put an electric wrench.
I wonder who owns those.
I wonder.
Ooh. This thing. It's been on the truck for like since like 1964.
Has it?
Oh, I don't fucking know.
Probably. It wouldn't surprise me.
This is getting all my handles swapped over from red to orange. Needed a change. Needed a change, you know?
You need a change once in a while.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, I need that one. But I don't have
Is it green that you lost?
No, red one.
Oh, yeah.
I might buy this set anyway, because I need these anyway.
Yeah, but you already have screwdrivers though, don't you?
I know. I have these ones. I just need these. In reality, I need these and I need that.
Oh, yeah. You need two of those, actually.
Yeah, I do. I need two of them. God damn it.
What else we got going on the truck? I got the cooler bag. That thing's awesome. It is so nice in here right now. Nice and cool. I mean, it's cool in the shop too, but it's not this cool.
Not even close. Not even close.
I wonder if there's more stuff I need. There's always stuff that I need.
What don't you need?
I know,
That's the
right?
question.
The plier selection. I'm surprised you're not picking out pliers that I need so that I can give you new ones.
What do you need?
It's like, hey, you need this, man. And then I just go and give you my Mac stuff.
And then I break it.
Yeah. Those are actually really nice. I like the small little nip-ups.
I'm going to have to go through your toolbox and pick out all the Mac stuff you have. Just be like,
Yeah,
give
yeah.
me a list. This is what you need.
There you go, bud. There you go. This is what you need.
Hi, help.
It's so hard to do this one, man. Oh, there we go. Oh, all right.
You honestly can't beat the Neufeld stuff.
No, you can't.
No.
You really can't.
Even though these are one of my favorite pairs of pliers.
Those things are badass.
Yep, they're awesome.
Awesome.
These are alright. Here, nail clippers.
Nail clippers. That is awesome.
Those things are nice. Oh, they're so fine.
I bet you they're sharp.
They are sharp. These are kind of cool.
You need the whole set.
Oh yeah, they got the set of Neufeld back there. Yeah,
What do you see in there?
Oh, we're just looking. We're looking at Neufeld. Knee packs? Knee packs? Nipex?
Nipex.
Nipex?
Nipex.
Whatever the Germans say. That's the proper saying. Seems to,
Whatever the
it seems to break the internet every time someone fucking says it on the channel. That's not how you say it.
I believe it's Nipex.
Nipex?
I could be corrected. Maybe at first.
Yeah. I seem to remember a video being made about that, about the proper saying, the proper pronunciation. Oh yeah, look at that. So nice.
Happy?
Yep, absolutely. Now I gotta figure out something to do with these handles. I'll figure something out. This would be a good, the small one's a good keychain. A plaque on my wall?
Just make a plaque with like a bunch of snap-on handle rings. That'd be awesome.
Not the best idea you've had, Hunter.
You need an extension?
An extension.
I'm not allowed to speak on Joel's videos anymore.
No, you are.
I was thinking of an extension like for a screwdriver.
It'd actually be kind of interesting to put that handle on a screwdriver. Do they have the same? Do they have the same shank? I don't think so, right?
Did you,
Does he want to come in, or are you just making fun of him, or what's going on there?
Who is
no, I
it?
just gave him the finger. Just didn't ask me to go for his phone.
Who's it? Boyfriends aren't allowed on the truck.
Yeah,
Yeah. Did you happen to have those batteries by any chance?
let me get in behind you here, Joel.
Yep. Every time I'm on here, I see something new. Something that I need. Snap-ring pliers. More snap-ring pliers. Oh, I know what I need.
What?
And something small and ridiculous too.
Yeah, like I just didn't.
No.
That is small and ridiculous and awesome.
Guess it has to help you somehow.
There's lots of cool stuff on this. Like I said, man, every time you're on here, there's something that you didn't see before.
It's because Tyler has so
Tyler
much
keeps this thing
stuff.
just stocked. I know, it's crazy. It's just
Stuff.
It's crazy. I know what I need now. I just gotta make sure. Well, I'm not gonna fucking
Things
say
didn't
it
break
and
down, you
spoil
and I
it.
both together work through it.
That's cute.
It's something really small.
Especially when it's somebody else's.
Yeah, okay. Well, let's, we'll talk tools now. All right, guys, welcome back to Snap on Wednesday. You guys saw the truck shit
with you know, my very own Hunter and Tyler with the fingers up. That was a pretty good intro, I guess. So anyway, what did we pick up off the truck this week? Seems like every week I'm buying new tools. I did buy a dead blow hammer, 32 ounce dead blow. Yeah, I've never owned a dead blow, to be honest with you. It seems like I'm getting a lot of tools that I should have had a long time ago, and that's partly because I was basically cheap for a long time. So I'm slowly building up some of the things that I should have had a long time ago. I did end up, this was last week on the truck, I ended up replacing the long nose, needle nose pliers, and then just as I'm doing that, I'm replacing my Mac stuff that I've had for a long time, and I'm basically just giving it to an apprentice in need. I'm giving it to Hunter. So that's where that went. I ended up getting the long side cutters last week. We never really showed anything I got off the truck last week, and I did end up getting all my comfort grip handles switched over from red to orange, so those look just badass. They look really good in the drawer too. So just time for a change, you know. I've had red for so long, and all my screwdriver handles are all orange. So yeah, you know, I figured I would swap them over. It just looks a little bit nicer and uniform and cleaner. This is in the Dads and Grads flyer. They are on sale. So we're going to be going through this in a couple of days. Let's see here. So this is the Magna panel tray, they call it. It'll hold up to 10 pounds of magnetic shit. So there's magnets on this side, I think. No, there's no magnets on that. Okay, so this isn't magnetic, but this, however, is magnetic. So we can just start putting crap on there. Oh, that one didn't want to stay. Anyway, you guys get the idea. I have the magnetic trays. Let's see here. Mac tools. So I've had this for a long time, and it seems like these ones aren't the strongest. They've never have been. You know, you're doing an engine, tearing something down, and all the bolts are everywhere. And I mean, this thing has a lot more room, a lot more real estate that we can just put bolts and stuff on. So, but these ones just seems like you tip them and fucking everything goes everywhere. And so we got rid of that. Last but not least, something that I've been kind of putting off for the longest time, and I figured, you know, we've been doing a lot of fuel services in the shop, and a lot of the newer cars all have gas struts for the hoods, and the new fuel service machine that we got, the strut or the struts, the hood struts will not hold this thing up, so we ended up getting this. I'll open it up. It's a Thexton tool. Thexton. I will try to leave a link for this. I'll link it to Amazon for you guys. I'll explain exactly what this does. So when your hood prop is up and your hood strut is up, you basically put the hood strut in here and cinch it down, and the hood doesn't fall down. It's got this nice little remove before closing, so you end up remembering where it goes. And Thexton, that is the brand name. I will leave a link to that on Amazon if you guys want to have a look at that. They're not very expensive. I don't even know what I paid for it. Again, Snap on Wednesdays, we don't normally talk about price. It's one of those things that if you need it, you're gonna buy it. So That's pretty much all I got for you guys today. Nothing else coming down the pipe. You guys saw my birthday concert that I went to. If you haven't seen it, I'll leave the link. And that was basically that was why I had to rush out last week, because you know it was my birthday and stuff, and we went and saw Slayer, Lamb of God, and Testament, Anthrax, Behemoth. What a good show! What a good show! So I did put a bunch of stuff together, and it is in a video format, so you guys can go have a look at it if you guys are into that kind of stuff. If not, it's also on my old, what used to be Death Rattle Productions channel. I put it up on there as well. So you may have got a notification for 2 different channels, depending if you are subscribed to my Booze, Tattoos, and Heavy Metal channel. So that is pretty much all I got for you guys. It's been a busy day. It's been a busy month. So yeah, everybody, remember to comment, like, share, subscribe if you like this kind of video, and peace out, guys. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.